The death of former General Secretary of the HNLC, Cheristerfield Thangkhiew, on the 13th of August 2021 had affected the entire KHASI and JAINTIA Hills districts of Meghalaya. Apart from those called by Kasur ki Nong MAWLAI in East KHASI Hills district, protests were witnessed at MAWKYRWAT in Southwest KHASI Hills and at KHLIEHRIAT and JOWAI in the JAINTIA Hills. A large procession of womenfolk, men and youth had taken to the streets of MAWLAI, MAWKYRWAT and KHLIEHRIAT to pledge for the justice into the death of late Cheristerfield Thangkhiew. Signature campaigns, speeches by prominent leaders of pressure groups and candlelight vigils formed part of the protests.
Semua mempelat yang alimpi bukan yang ketiga kali. Kali pelajar tapi pada tahun ini mampu. Ada tu sebut berburu era.
Are you all my personal dreams?
History jong kejala baya ka home department wasa hijack wasa kayu tu ya ka home department bad ya rasa semua kisboglar kira kayu tu ya kita siap bad kira lagi penyiap duduk hak tu berjalan beliau lada kan home minister lada ya ka home department kabubat wasa hijack lada wasa smuggler ngasas ngasau menonton nihap pertuhan. But kalau KHLIEHRIAT you, lada udah banyak suki ini, kemudian bang, lada udah ban pencitom, bagi kita kiba lalai ya takkan ingin sampai. Kaba kongsan kabang yapil kalau lada banyak suki, pencitom tak kaba suspend ya kita kilaiut, kiba yalan ya takkan. What do I do bang? Hap suspend lagi spa, lagi hajar, iklan dawa ya kata. Idawa berkit noh MAWLAI, kesuruh MAWLAI kalau suspend ya kita KHLIEHRIAT, ikhlam dawa ya kispa. But lada himla abang suspend ya kita KHLIEHRIAT, tidak ada yang berdiam suki.
Kaji semua melong kajongi, ya kamsim makodor, jong paradok prasnam jongi, ubala syab phat juborno ha kiriu snew ya kajeng em. Kajing thang bumati, kalong kadak ban uneu riu krau jongi, ulalek no han nak nega pertai, henrei kinang me sibon. Kibreu kibakrau kejongi kiban ban yalam ya kajaj breu kejongi kiban nom pendem wat ban poi ha kejing ya pro kan ne kejing thang bomti kejongi kanong kanuksa kibakrau yangi bang de ban penbut bang ngindon kemesim yele kumbo priang nang ba utir sing bak ubak Cheristerfield Thangkhiew ubadang cha khot jubo dang sian hekni kisi ha kipulet
yewer lang ipi baro banang ne sakmat Kasur kena MAWLAI, kintangi perkat ye kisenjam kiban sesim, bat ni kerpa ye pi, bapin ye long kibaya snok tilang, banyerin tilang kumne kumang ilong mentah, kenang bagi cintawa jungi kin long kibajob, kumle sipon, kumle sajar ngo, di ngasugua menang ye pi, bakasur long MAWLAI, kayang hado mentah mene halal kanong rem, suspend ya kini ki operation team leader
kibadai SP jong East Jaintia Hill District, but SP traffic jong ke Shillong. Ngiong ro dawa ya UDGP ba ya uro day ban suspend. Day namnai.
Wala halaki lama baper hala karong baper ni kawe de jing sarong henry ken mau jaj benriu hinyau trap de tang kawe langi kop ya kano lama langi kop ya kano karong henry jaj benriu hi tang kawe ni so ban kerparu ya kini ki badan boro bakim dai ben le so kum kini ki kamro khlau ki ba penting ki ba pen sweet yang ikum ki khon samla.
The government had formed a peace committee that is headed by the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestun Tensong, and that include Cabinet Ministers Bante Dorlingdo and Hamletson Dorling, as well as other civil society leaders, pressure groups and others. The committee had been formed to take stock of the situation across the state and to maintain peace and tranquility amongst the residents. As far as the government is concerned, it has constituted an independent judicial inquiry into the death of Thangkhiew. However, the larger public is determined not to just sit back and watch, but to keep pressing on the truth into the alleged killing of the former HNLC leader in an encounter on the fateful morning of 13th August 2021.